Good morning and welcome to the Lake District, where today we're going on a short little walk up Latrigg, a small fell above Keswick. Not a long walk nor a difficult one. And there we have Latrigg just over there to our right. So here is the car park which serves not only Latrigg but also Skiddaw. So this is where most people set off to climb Skiddaw, and there's the path up there, and you can't see the summit of Skiddaw today, well, not from this location. The little hill there with the cloud on top is Little Skiddaw, and Skiddaw summit proper is behind that. So there's the path that goes up to Skiddaw. You can see a few people walking that way at the moment. But we're doing a much shorter, simpler, easier walk to Latrigg. Very little climbing involved in today's walk. It's just a gentle stroll. So then, rather than taking the most direct route up Latrigg, which is a very short walk indeed, we're basically doing a circular walk of Latrigg. You can see the map at the end of this video if you're interested. So it involves, first of all, dropping down a little bit. As I say, from the car park it's only about 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe walk to the top of Latrigg, but this is going to be a slightly longer, more scenic route around Latrigg. So the path divides here. If we take the right hand path, that will take us down towards Keswick, but we're going to take the left hand path, which will take us towards the summit of Latrigg. According to that sign, 3¼ miles to Latrigg. This is quite a nice little fell to do from Keswick, and it's also a good little fell to come up to for nice views over Keswick and Derwentwater, and also around to Derwentwater. So as you can see, despite the fact that it is now the very end of December that I'm filming this video on, we don't have any snow on the fells at the moment. It's been a pretty mild winter so far. It did drop below freezing last night. Maybe we'll see a bit more snow in January. That tends to be the month when snow does come, but you just never know now. With climate change, things are changing quite rapidly. So you used to see snow regularly on the Lake District fells in the winter. Now, not always guaranteed. So you can just make out our car somewhere sort of down there. So we've climbed a little way up, not far from the summit of Latrigg. We're following the footpath up, the proper footpath, although people have made this shortcut here, which is damaging the fell side, unfortunately. There we have the first view of Keswick and Derwentwater. It's a very dull day today, so not sure how much the camera's picking up. And here we are, lovely viewpoint over Derwentwater, looking down onto Keswick and in the far distance Borrowdale. And if the weather was a little bit clearer, you'd be able to see the Scawfell range. If I just turn that way, I can just make out Derwentwater Lake. And it looks like the cloud is starting to lift slowly from Skiddaw. So making our way down Latrigg now, and hopefully rejoining another forestry track. This is a footpath that I'm following, although clearly not one used all that regularly. I don't think the camera will pick this up, but these trees are starting to bud, which is slightly worrying considering that it's still December and we've not yet had the coldest weather. But again, it just shows how mild this winter has been. We've also had daffodils popping their heads out of the soil, and they don't normally arrive until March time. So there's a solitary trainer lying here on the path. You wonder how on earth does someone manage to lose one trainer? So these forest tracks around the base of Latrigg, or sort of halfway up Latrigg, are really lovely, and not many people walking here, so much quieter than the top of the fell. So yeah, worth making the detour to come down here.